Hello, this is Nancy and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be making some greeting cards with some Craspire dies that I received. And they're mainly winter themed, but they also have other different dies. I'll leave their website down below in the description box. And I'm using my Sizzix Big Shot here to run the paper with the die through it. I do it a couple times. And then this should pop right off. And since I'm only doing for the a greeting card, I'm only punching it once. Towards the end of the video, I will show you a shadow box that I made with one of the same die, but it has a light in the back and everything. So stay to the end so you can see that. This die set comes with 4 different dies, but I'm only using 3 on this video. This is the second die that they have. So sort of a Christmas tree with some snowflakes around the edges. I was curious how this die would cut because it has all those little intricate details, but it came out pretty nice. I'm cutting this one higher up on my card because I'm going to be using this as a snow globe. This one has a lot of little pieces, but with my Poke tool, I was able to pop them off. The die cut really well on this cardstock. Now I'm cutting the card bases for the cards. I'm using the A2 size card, which folded is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So you'll need a 8 1/2 by 5 1/2 sheet of paper, and then score it at 4 1/2. I mean 4 1/4. Yeah, 4 1/4. Craspire offers a wide variety of wax seal stamps and paper craft items. I'll leave their link down below, plus a discount code that you can get $5 off your $40 order. Here I cut a piece of paper that's the same color as the background, and I made it so to look at the bottom of a snow globe. And I'm using my art glitter glue to glue all those little snowflakes down. And that's the center of the die, and I'm gluing that down as well. And at the bottom of the snow globe, I'm using my white gel ink pen to put some stitches to give it some more dimension on the front. On this card, I added 2 mats to it because I wanted more color in it. So I'm gluing it down again with my art glitter glue, the first base or mat, and then the die piece that I cut. These layouts are just for inspiration. You know, you can use any color paper you want. I like the buffalo check here to put behind the deer scene. But you can use any papers that you want, or just leave it black without the background there. I use this die as the shadow box that I did. It's not really a shadow box, a light box. At the end, you'll see how I made this into a light box. Now I'm getting some stickers. I'm running low on those to decorate the inside of the cards as well. Again, this is just for inspiration. You don't have to decorate the inside of the card. But I'm here looking through all my stickers that I have left and see which one will go with the die cut on the front. And then I'm going to rubber stamp the Merry Christmas on the inside. I still have problems pressing down evenly on the stamps to make a nice crisp image. So I'm using the We Are Memory Keeper stamp pad, which has a little rubber feet. So when you put the stamp on it, it won't touch the paper until you actually push it down. This is the first time I use this stamp set, so it's pretty stuck on there. But the more you use it, the better, the easier it comes out to come out. Here I place it where I want to put the stamp. Now I put the clear piece on top. And when you press down on it, it'll pick up the stamp. There you go. And then I'm going to ink it with my Memento black, I think it's Tuxedo black ink. And you get a nice crisp image on the card. With the stamp press, it's easy if you don't have the whole image inked right, you can ink it again and it'll go in the same spot again. So it won't move around or anything. If you're liking this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends. Let me know what will you use these dies for, or what color backgrounds will you use on these dies. And I wanted to be a little extra, so I'm also stamping on the outside of the envelope a little saying. So you don't have to just send a white envelope, you can just decorate it a little bit, make it festive. And here are the finished cards with their envelopes, ready to be sent out. And until next time, be brave, be strong, and create. Wait to the end to see the light box that I made with one of the stamps. I mean the dies.